Hey, Brian Young with ProTriggerToys.com, ProTriggerToys.com. This is a Canonos update. I'm in my workshop. If you've never seen the workshop, well, I'm going to do a quick video of all the stuff I have to sell you guys, okay? I'm going to give you a good tour, so if you're bored and you want to buy something, I've got it. I'm telling you, if you're a man and you don't know what to do, I've got something in my workshop you'll want to buy, okay? Plain and simple, okay? And so, if you see something that's not listed, email me and I'll sell it to you. All right, so let's start. So this is the downstairs of the Professor Tinker workshop. It's basically 1,200 square feet. I got my wood stove right here, my wood pellet stove. I've got all my sets here. We got sets. Now, this is the new Johnny Lightning set, which is awesome. You're going to want to get this right now. It's going at a great price. We've got the John Force set. I only got 2 of those left. We got Richard Petty. We've got tons of cars. We got tons of cars, more cars, more sets. Look at that. Undrelling Cup. To me, it's the best set I have. More zombie sets, cars. Plenty of cars, people. I have plenty of cars. Whatever cars you want, I've got it. Don't tell me you don't have any cars, because I've got your cars. Okay, we got more. We got parts. We got plenty of parts. Tires, motors, track. I got TCR track. I got airplanes from Firefox. Throw these out your apartment window. Just let them throw. Plenty of more cars. SCX, Scale Electric, Tyco cars, plenty of Tyco cars, most of them listing. Okay, and then we come over here and we have Auto World. I got a ton of Auto World cars. So if you guys are bored and you want to just buy a bunch of Auto World cars, buy the Ecto 1, okay, or the Batmobile or Christie, okay? Check that out, Ecto 1. Or how about a Ford Torino? All right, now this is the downstairs. Got guns, got wooden rubber band guns. Got them all over the ceiling. Wooden rubber band guns, good grief, every kind you could possibly imagine. I've got the double barrel shotguns. Okay, get the kids out, because your kids are at home for the next two years, so you might as well give them some guns. Let them have fun playing in the yard with rubber band guns, okay? Now, let's go upstairs, because the upstairs is really what we call, it's beautiful upstairs. Okay, so there's a lot of things that I haven't shown people upstairs. Okay, that's because there's just so much upstairs. So we're going to give you a good tour. So just sit back, relax, and have fun. Okay, so let me turn on the lights here. So we got plenty of lights. Okay, so now this upstairs used to be wide open, but I've got it filled with stuff, okay? So we've got Wi-Fi these are called IMAX brick flyers. You basically put them together. They're like Legos. These are my giant Lego ships. If you want to buy them, let me know. I'll give you a price and you can come pick them up, okay? I've got pirate ships. If you want to buy all my pirate ships, I got those. These are Japanese knockoffs, but I'll sell those to you also. Plus, I got plenty of trains. These trains are really doing really well. People are really loving these trains by Aussie. They're made by IMAX. They're a Lego type train system, but you can, if you're good at Legos, you can then motorize them, because they do have 4 motorized sets. Matter of fact, I just got a restock on the motorized set. This is the most popular one, which is the speed train, bullet train. Really cool, really fun. So that'd be a lot of fun, okay? And we got all these pirate ships, okay? And IMAX. Oh, this is an awesome game. RoboGear. If you want to have fun with the kids at the house, get RoboGear. Model kits. Oh, you put them together. Okay, that's a whole kit. Plus, I got tons of Legos. If you're looking for Legos, okay, and you want to buy any of these Legos, I got plenty of Oxford bricks. I have drones, more drones, and more drones. Other drones. These are like 50% off. Guns. I've got the best-selling guns. I bought these on closeout, okay? These are only 19 bucks. Sweet double-barrel guns. But my best one is this one right here. Let me show you this one. This is our best one. Oh, yeah, baby. The gold, baby. Oh, yeah, the Winchester 73. Oh, this is sweet, man. This is my favorite gun right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, then we got plenty of kit. Knight Rider. I've got Legos, more Legos, and more Legos. Guns. I got plenty of guns, pistols, rifles. Okay, we got more guns. Now this is going down one of my aisles here of cool stuff here. I got Voyager. Look at this. Drones. I got plenty of drones. Submarines. I got Japanese submarines that dive and surface. Okay, and then we got, coming back here. Oh yeah, these are cool. These are Kobe electronic tanks, really sweet. Check those out. Oh my God, RC cars. These are my best-selling RC cars all of a sudden. These have been really doing really well. I bought about 200 of these they're called Subotech. I got two versions. I got that one, the Tornado, and the Boris Chariot. That's my favorite one right there. I think that one's really cool. Plus, I got plenty of airplanes. We've got giant Firefox airplanes. Got plenty of those. I'm telling you, I've got everything you could possibly want to have fun with. I just got these Uplander shotguns from Paris Manufacturing. Plus, I have a ton of just pistols, those pellet pistols, if you want to go outside and just have fun. These are just pellet pistols. Plus, I got tanks. I got these tanks at a great price. They're just fun little model kits. Build about 50 of them, then shoot them with pellet guns and like destroy them. They're really fun, baby. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, I got to calm down. I'm going to have a heart attack. All right, these are all the IMAX individual kits to add on to your Army, okay? And then in the back here is the, when my brother, we kind of have cigars and we sleep here. But then I got tons of model kits. I got Samurai, my best-selling RC car, Samurai. Get one before they're all gone. More model kits, plenty of Lego kits. We're going to be listing all the Legos this week, because obviously there's no school. But this is the upstairs of the Pro Tinker Toys, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Like and subscribe us. If you see anything here you want to buy, ask. Here's my big Lego model ship, 11 feet long. It's my favorite. The Valley Forge. The Valley Forge. Got everything up here, people. Got race sets. Plush dolls. I got these little plush dolls. If you've got girls and you want to have a little, get her something fun. Got little plush dolls here. Raccoons. I got raccoons, penguins, foxes, pigs, everything. Everything you could possibly imagine at ProTinkerToys.com. That's ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to have a lot of fun, and we'll see you later.